Hello traders, welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. First player on my list right here will be AUDCHF. So let's go to AUDCHF. Let's see how AUDCHF has played out. Is it ready to start pushing back up or is still not ready yet? So right here on the daily time frame on AUDCHF right here on my previous video right here I said that AUDCHF price should break above this level of resistance and start pushing back up, because right here AUD share price should have continued pushing back up, but because of this level of resistance right here, it couldn't because of this level of resistance right here, it was unable to break this level of resistance and price push it back up. But this level of resistance rejected the price back down. So before I proceed further, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right there. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this page. Thank you as you do so. So right here, so let's continue with the chart analysis on AUDCF. So let's still go back to the higher time frame to have um a clear direction on AUDCF. AUDCF price is going to the upside. I have been saying it is going to the upside, but let's still go back to the weekly time frame to have a better clear direction. Right here, right here on the weekly time frame, we can see that AUD share price is on a downtrend. It has been creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Look at it. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend right here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It has been creating a series of lows and highs, lower lows and lower highs. So right here now, so now let's work with the immediate trend to the downside. So right here now on the weekly time frame right here, we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price attempted this strong level of support and for some time it was moving sideways before pushing back up for a new lower high. It pushed back down again for a new lower low. Price push again for a new lower high and it has come to parity right here on this strong level of support. This level of support has given us an equal lows right here, because price was unable to break this low right here and continue going lower. This was a low, this was a high. Price come right here again. This is an equal low right here, and price is finding its way to the upside. So from right here, we should be looking for a buying opportunity to push to the upside. Now, based on the candlestick that we see right here on the weekly time frame right here, we can see that this is looking like a trend reversal, like a double bottom right here on the weekly time frame on this key level of support right here, because as you can see right here, we have a push back down. Price bounce off again for a new lower high. This is a low, this is a high, and price come right here to form an equal low, to come to a parity right here, and this is looking like a double bottom right here. This candlestick right here, we have the first week, we have the second, we have the third week, and the current week is currently printing. This is looking like a double bottom. So if I should use a line chart to see properly, we can see this is what forming a double bottom yet. So now what we shall be looking for right now would be what buying opportunity on AUD share, because like I was saying, AUD share price is pushing back, is going to the upside. So right now I think AUD share price is ready to start pushing to the upside, because it has fulfilled what it should fulfill, and from here right here we should see AUD share price pushing to the next level target. So we have seen what we need to see. So let's go to the next to the daily time frame. Go right here on the daily time frame. We can now see more details of the weekly candlestick on the daily time frame. Right here, when we have a push to the downside, this minor level of resistance rejected the price back down. and what it crashed to this level target, right, to this key level of support and could not break lower. And right here on this level it formed a trend reversal. It's forming a trend reversal here. What if this level, if this level is cleared, price is coming right here. Once this level is cleared, AUD share price will elevate to the next level target right here. So right here in the past, in my previous video, we have a push to the downside, and we also have a trend line connected with it. We have the first touch of the trend line, we have the second touch of the trend line, and upon the third touch right here, price break out of it. But because of this, let me adjust the screen wide. So right here now we have the first touch of the, now right here now we have two trend line right here. We have the inner trend line and we have the outer trend line. We are done with the inner trend line. Now remaining the outer trend line. So let me talk about the inner trend line first, because the inner trend line comes before the outer one. So we have the first touch of the inner trend line, we have the second touch, and upon the third touch right here, I remember saying that upon the third touch, price will break out of it. Price did that, but because of this resistance level right here, this level of resistance bounced the price back down to this level, to this key level of support right here. It rejected the price to attempt the support level again. And when price gets here, it could not break lower, but what did the price? The price sustain above this support level to attempt this previous resistance again. So we are done. So we are done with the inner trend line. The inner trend line has finished its work. So remaining the outer trend line. So we bring another trend line again. We have the first touch of the trend line. We have the second touch right here. Upon the third touch, but as you can see, price is currently reacting, kissing the trend line for the third attempt. If the third attempt is cleared, it's coming right here to attempt this resistance level again. And if this resistance level is cleared, AUD share price will elevate to this level right here, because this level too is also is minor level of resistance. Definitely when price gets here, it will definitely react before pushing back up, or it will push back down again. So right here now on the daily time frame, now we can see a trend reversal forming right here. We have a low, we have a high, and equal low is has formed right here. So we expect price to clear this trend line, come right here to attempt this resistance level. If this resistance level is cleared, AUD share price will elevate to the next level right here. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So we have seen what we need to see from the higher time frame down to the daily time frame, then we scale down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is where we come to what to look for execution. So right here now, this is the inner trend line that I was talking about. On the daily time frame, we have the first touch of the inner trend line, we have the second touch, and upon the third touch, price break out of it, but could not sustain this level, but could not break and close properly above this resistance level right here. And this level of resistance rejected the price back down to this key level of support. So right here now, so now we are done. So now we are done with the inner trend line. So let me take that out. Remaining the outer trend line. We have the first touch of the outer trend line, we have the second touch right here, and upon the third touch, price is currently reacting on that level. So right here now we have a minor level of resistance too. We have a minor level of resistance. Price created it, and now when price was there, price is currently reacting on that level again. As you can see, price is currently reacting here right here. We have a weak rejection in the past. It was rejected right here too for the second time. It was also rejected right here too for the third time, and price is currently on this, and price is currently on it again for the fourth attempt, and is currently reacting on it with the trend line. There's a confluence right here, a confluence, trend line confluence, minor level of resistance confluence. So right now, what will determine AUD share from pushing, from elevating to the next level, is to see price break and close above this resistance level, and also the trend line. Once that happens, we should see a pullback like so. like so. At least price might get here, pull back like so, and attempt this level again and start pushing back to the next level right here. So that is that. So I will be waiting patiently to see what will happen right here, because right here on AUD share price we can't jump on the trade right here because we don't have a clear setup right here for a buy on this market. We don't know this price can still push back down again, and from here it can still push back up. So let's still wait. So let's still wait on AUDCF. Let's see what AUDCF price wants to do right here, because this final level of resistance too is also important, because price is currently reacting on that level, and also the trend line too. If price, we need to see price break and close above this resistance, this minor level of resistance, this minor level right here, and also the trend line. We have seen the first touch of the trend line, the second touch right here, and price is on the third attempt. And also price can still push back down again to this level again. So whatever happens, we shall see. So if price wants to push up, let it push up. If it wants to come down again, let it come down. But it might still come down again. Price might still come down again if I draw out a trend line, and let's see. Good. We might have one leg again to the downside, but and I'm just saying it might come and it might not come. So but I will be favoring the upside on this. So if AUD share price wants to blow out, let it blow out, and let's see what it wants to do. So that is that on AUD share price. So now let's move next to the next level. Let's see what AUD USD, Euro USD has done so far. Right here, good. So Euro USD has finally come as is finally close to this support level right here. I called in my previous video. I called AUD share price right here. If you doubt me, please watch my previous video. It is documented there. You will see. You will watch everything just like I've said it, and it dropped just like I've said it. So right here, when AUD share price attempted this main level of support in the past, this main level of resistance in the past, it created. Let's go to the daily time frame. So right here now, what caused this trend reversal, right? Because as you can see on the daily time frame, this is a double top, whether I like it or not. This is a double top, and this double top hold to push the price down. Now, what caused this double top was because of this high right here. This high price created this high right here and pushed the price down. When price break it, we were all expecting AUD USD, Euro USD to start pushing back down, but Euro USD disappointed and do its thing and push back up. While it pushed back up, it encountered the previous level of resistance, and this level of resistance hold the price from breaking through. We have the first attempt right here, we have the second attempt right here, and price break out of it and start pushing back down. So we have seen what we need to see. So now moving next to the 4-hour time frame. So now moving next to the 4-hour time frame. Right here we have a counter trend line that we can jump on. We have the first touch of the trend line, we have the second touch, third, fourth, price break out of it, and I called it down right here. And just like we see it on the screen right here, Euro USD is coming. It's still shy of this level, but it will come right here. I'm sure of that. Euro USD is coming right here. So when price gets here, if this level should hold the price, we can see Euro USD back up. And if this level is weak to break below, Euro USD will push back down. So for now we are still going to see what Euro USD is still going to do somewhere around here. If it's going to hold right here and push back up right here, or it will break below this support level and push back down. So that is that on Euro USD. So I've talked about AUDCF, and I've also talked about Euro USD. So if you watch the video to this again, please smash the subscribe button right there. Drop me a comment, share this video, and like this video. Thank you for watching to this very end. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.